Can you grow damaged sweet potato slips?
Hey y'all, how's it going? I just wanted to shoot a video today and take you around with me so I can show you a little bit of what I got going on here. Now today I'm gonna check on my sweet potatoes. I was gifted some sweet potato slips from a friend when I was visiting their farm, and you know, they gifted the sweet potato slips to me. However, it was super hot that day. I sat them to the side and I didn't get around to them to several days later. They were withered. They had been rained on. They had been in the sun. And so I planted them anyway.
When I tell you I came back from the farm with some goodies, I had this bundle of stuff. However, I let them sit. They got rained on, then dried out by the sun, and it took me 3 days to get to them. If you look at these slips, they are beat all the way up. Really, really bad. And I planted them anyway.
Right? And so what I want to do today is let's go walk through and see, you know, what they look like. Did they survive? You know, how it went, right? So, but I do want to, you know, just mention that this is all new for me. I've just started growing I started growing in the ground within the last maybe 4 to 5 months. And I'm talking about actual food items. I've had fruit trees in for at least a year now, but me growing actual food items that I can eat and harvest within a few months, this is my first go round. And so I've got lots of items planted throughout the yard. I did go ahead and put these slips in despite them being in bad condition. And my goal was, you know, see what happens. And if they grow, great. If not, I'll get some more. So what I want to do, it was raining today. And of course, now the sun is out and it's pretty hot. So what I want to do is just let's take a walk and take a look and see what I've got. So this is my row of sweet potatoes that I planted. And let's see, did any of my slips survive? Now, as you can see, this looks a little wilted right now because the sun is in full force, but this is number 1. Number 2, it made it. Number 3. Number 4. This looks like a 5th one, but it's not very strong. I'm gonna pull that weed out the way. So that looks like number 5, correct? Here is number 6. Wow. Here we have number 7, number 8. Wow. Number 9. Number 10 and 11. What? I am so grateful.
I'll keep you updated on their growth, and I might even decide to put in a second row.